$27,000 helping people jumpstart cars on TikTok Shop affiliate. Let's look at this product. So it's a portable car jump starter. It does a couple of other cool things as well. Looking at the core metrics, so it's sold on TikTok Shop specifically 4.7 million in the last 90 days in revenue, 144,000 units sold. The price is around $55. Majority of this revenue came from video ads. They made 364K from live sessions in the last 90 days. Scrolling a bit further down, we can see content creators are absolutely rinsing it. I've looked at the top one, Raw Dog Shop. They've brought in 54 million views. Now, the interesting thing, a majority of the videos that they have made recently are about this product, which tells me they've found a winning product. Video ads aren't really that complicated to put together, as I'm going to show you here in just about a second. The highest converting video made $246,000 in revenue in the last 90 days. This one got 18.6 million views. Ad revenue ratio 58%. So we can see the percentages around how much of that came from the shop actually investing ads. We can also see how much money was spent on ads for that particular product. So the shop spent around $39,000 pushing this video via ads. I don't imagine they would have done that all at once. They would have just been gradually testing out different ad strategies, different amounts, and eventually once they saw that the TikTok algorithm loves this content creator, and they would have invested more and more. The return on ad spend is 3.7. So what this actually means is for every dollar that they're spending on ads, they've made around 3.7 or $3.70. Found a product that works, and they have continued to rinse and repeat basically until the wheels fall off. 135,000 in revenue there, 122,000 on this video, different amounts of revenue for each video. This product offers a 12% commission rate, so that's how much this content creator would have made on sales promoting this portable car jump starter. Imagine starting 2026 with that amount of money, an amount of money that a lot of people are working full-time, making sacrifices, not seeing their kids, not attending school events, working overtime, and still not able to make this amount of money that this guy is making just from uploading simple TikTok videos on the internet. Now, looking at the types of video ads that they are doing, what's actually working within these video ads? How are they putting them together? Are they complicated, well edited? How long are they? What are they saying? Let's explore that. I'm just gonna click onto some of these here. I might scroll past some. If there is any content, any copyright music, I might move from that ad and go to a different video, or if there is any sort of harsh language, I might skip past that. But let's quickly see what type of wizardry is happening here.
They don't know it.
I have it on the right.
It's bots. This is one of the most dangerous things that you can keep in your car. Not only will it damage your sensor and computer, but it also can damage your battery, and you have to rely on a stranger to help jump your car. And that's
Crazy.
exactly
Just that alone, the start of the hook. The hook is like a skit, people having a conversation, a really capturing visual, almost looks like it's on fire with a car, and they go into the dangers and potential issues by ignoring this problem, which is absolutely obviously working in this case, because we can see they are absolutely crushing it here. So let's go into this video just a little bit more. I'm gonna explore the other videos in just a second here. I'm gonna click on this TikTok video link, and that's gonna take us onto their TikTok page, into the actual video where we can scroll through the timeline.
they don't know what the hell they do.
I have it on the right. It's bots.
Yeah. This is one of the most dangerous things that you can keep in your car. Not only will it damage your sensor and the computer, but it also can damage your battery, and you have to rely on somebody else, a stranger, to help jump your car. That's why every member in my family has one car.
Straight away,
Black to metal, turns green, ready to start. Unlike jumper cables, it takes about 2 seconds.
Notice the caption, everyone should keep one of these in their car. Nothing complicated. If I click on more, okay, so there is a little bit more there, but even the start of the description of the video is everyone should keep one of these in their car. Discover fire, blah, 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 blah. This looks AI generated. They may have gone into ChatGPT and said, hey, can you give me a description of this video so I can put it onto my TikTok description? And because discover vital items everyone should store in their car for safety during emergencies. Stay prepared and enhance your driving experience. Sounds like an AI generated description. It could have been generated by TikTok themselves, because they have got a feature which creates video descriptions for you via AI, which I will explore in one of my videos. Not blaming the creator here. It's working, whatever they're doing. They've got keywords here that are attracting people that are interested in that. It does actually say here, this information is AI generated and may return results that are not relevant relevant. Let's listen to the video a little bit.
Until your car is fully charged and ready to be started. If you went ahead and connected these wrong, let's put the black to the red terminal and red to metal. It will give you an error message. These are incredibly safe. If you connect them together, you'll get PSI. It can go up to 100 per PSI you selected.
Having your car break down can be one of the most painful experiences. A lot of the time, you're going somewhere important where time is crucial and you have to get somewhere as quickly as you can. And the pain point that this product is addressing is quite huge. And on top of that, it's a product that's easily visually displayable. You can create a video showing how to set it up. How can he not earn trust from me? He's got a car there. He's literally got it in his hands. He's setting it up. He's not just in his living room talking about it. So really good video ad.
See a regular USB port to fully charge your phone. And if you ever have an emergency at night, this does have a flash.
Clearly knows what he's talking about, showing you how it works,
that
how
also
to plug it
blinks
in.
red. I think every person should have one of these in their car for their own safety. If you want to grab one, I'm going to leave the link down in this orange shopping cart below. Just know that they have free shipping right now, and
He's going with the finishing move. Link down below. You've seen the damage that not having a product like this can cause. You don't want to be in that kind of position. Now, here's the crazy part. That's not necessarily something that's happened to him. He could have got it off Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, getting that, throwing that in as a hook, and then jumping into your pitch. Clearly it works. Well, let's quickly jump onto another video ad and explore. This is the second highest earning one. The videos are around the same length. This one is a 1 minute 31 second, which is very interesting. 9th of November is the published date as well. These are videos from recently. These are not from years ago. Let's go onto the TikTok video.
God, I love my job. I get to pick up hot boys. That must be him. Yo, you here for an Uber? All right, come on in. For Ronan?
My car, very high.
Your battery died? Dude, I could just jump you.
Where's the jumper?
Dude, it's 2026. Nobody uses jumper cables anymore.
Try it out.
Seconds.
It's on.
You're good to go already.
Really doesn't.
Love that hook.
Pick up
Your
this-
Uber
oh my
died.
Goodness.
Yo, for an Uber.
You here for an Uber? All right, come on in. For Ronan?
It's weird. He put he smelled so good when he
God, I love my
got
job.
in.
Like it's
I think I can guess the psychology behind that and the intent behind it. He's put he smelled so good when he got in. That tells me that gentleman was going somewhere. It could have been a date. It could have been somewhere where he's wanting to create a good impression. He's all cleaned up, smells good, ready, but boom, his plans went down the drain because his battery died. Another huge pain point that this creator is leaning into to move so many units with this particular product. Yeah, he shows how to put it together. Ultimately, he's doing the same presentation, showing the product.
Fridays. As of the Black Friday sales.
What about shipping?
Shipping is free, and I can leave you the link for that product.
I'm seeing a lot of these skits absolutely crushing it on TikTok. It's clearly a skit. We're adults. So we know, but the fact that they're making an effort with the skit, and two, it's keeping you watching, so something is working. It's keeping you entertained, but more importantly, the overarching thing here is they are showing you a huge problem people experience daily, how to solve it for a reasonable price, and where to get it potentially at a discount. Ladies and gentlemen, simple videos like this are making this amount of money in 2025 and 2026, just a couple of weeks away at the time of recording. What would you do with an extra $28,000 in your pocket to start off 2026?